show you how steep it is. All the way up there.
Welcome. Please stay seated while the car is moving.
So this railway was built in 1882 when a businessman who lived at the very top of the hill here was tired of going half an hour to get down and around the bluff, they were calling it, on the other side. So
By horse and buggy.
By horse and buggy. So he built this railway off of things he had seen in the Alps, and he built it for personal use, and his gardener would operate it to get him up and down. But after some time, his neighbors were asking him for rides, so after it burnt down, he built it again, but built a car big enough to hold other people and charged 5 cents a ride back in 1890.
Yeah.
And a few years later, after it burnt down again, during the recession, he wasn't able to build it, so a bunch of people who lived up on the hill got together, started a company, and they rebuilt it all together. Fenelon Place Elevator Company. It is really cute. It claims to be the shortest and steepest railway in the country, which is really cool.
It might be.
It feels like straight up a hill. It's quite crazy.
So from up here you can see 3 different states. Right here where we are is Iowa, right over there is Wisconsin, and right over there on the other side of the river is Illinois. So cool.
Hey buddy, you're on a quite steep hill.
Jam looks amazing. There you go.
It's so hot.
Yeah, I'm literally my calves are sweating.
Look at this. This looks delicious.
Don't pour it out.
Oh. Look at this.
It's got real strawberry chunks in it. It's just the organic strawberry jam from Costco. Ready to smash this in my face.
I was saying earlier when we were walking, this town is, I mean, obviously we already said, it's the first city in Iowa. It's so historic. Everything is so old and super cute. And we were walking back, and okay, pretense, when we used to travel before this trip, anytime we'd go anywhere, I would ask her, like, you think we could live here? Like, let's move here. I could see us living here.
Oh my gosh, always.
And I haven't said that yet on this trip, but this town, man, I could see us living here. It's so
beautiful.
Cute, but
so many brick buildings.
It's a little far though from home.
This town was declared a town 10 years before Iowa was even a state. Cool.
They like to say it's where Iowa began.
Yeah, hashtag.
Look how red my face is. That's just, I'm not sunburned. This is just me being hot. We're gonna go get a pint at this brewery down the road. I'm so excited for something cold to be in me.
hooked up to electricity, and it's finally hot enough that we're breaking out the AC unit, which I have never tested before. So I hope it actually works. And it should fit in our windows because the measurements said it would. So if it doesn't, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh, and that's the window screen thing. Perfect.
I don't know how it works. I don't know. We'll read the instructions.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's not gonna fall out the back.
No, that middle thing is... Oh, it's sitting on the wood right now, actually.
Be really careful, please.
Actually, it might be better if you just put the phone down and then go out there. We had a little bit of difficulty. The 30-amp breaker on the outlets here at the campground was broken.
Thank God.
I know. I thought it was the bus, so I was losing my mind. Sorry if I was rude. I know I was. I was just very upset with it. We have it plugged in. The light is on. We got the breaker fixed out there, and now we just figured out how to turn this on. I didn't read the instructions. Oh, it's on off. Okay, so it's on max cool. Let's maybe...
Oh, don't push. Did you see it moving?
I wasn't pushing. I was trying to turn it. Turn it down so it's not on max. Can you feel that? It smells a little funny.
Well, it's is there anything we need to take
There's a
out?
styrofoam in there.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say.
We didn't read that in the instructions.
Are you sure it's styrofoam?
It looks like styrofoam to me. And it looks like it's bent over here. I don't know how to get to that.
I don't think we're supposed to take it out.
You sure? Let's go read the instructions.
Okay.
Feels a lot cooler in here
It
already.
does, yeah.
And I'm excited to sleep with it on tonight. It's gonna be great. We're gonna eat this outside while we walk over there
Yeah, that sounds great.
because it's too hot in here.